If you are wondering if we have the 3.5mm headphone jack on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, then the answer is unfortunately no. The phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack input. Usually, of course, if it is included, you can find it at the bottom of the phone, or sometimes you can also find it at the top, but as you can see, there is nothing at the top, and at the bottom of the phone we have only the USB-C port, and we can actually use this USB-C port in order to connect your wired headphones. So if you have wired headphones with USB-C cable, then you can just simply connect it directly to the phone, and that shouldn't be a problem. They should work straight away. But if you have wired headphones with this kind of cable, then in this case you need to get an adapter that looks, for example, like this. So this is an example adapter that converts 3.5mm headphone jack input into USB-C cable. So then I can connect my wired headphones to this adapter, and then I can connect the adapter to the phone just like that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.